The next session will feature Vipul Rikhil with Ricky, whose work has immersed him in the oral traditions of Kabir and other Bhakti and Sufi poets for over a decade. Through his performance, he introduces us to the phenomenon that is Kabir in his session, Drunk on Love. We welcome you, sir.
I need more voice and less tambura. The tambura has a lot of resonance, so the voice is not coming through clearly, at least in the monitor.
Yeah, just trying to figure that out on the key as well. So give me one moment.
Tambura is fine now, just increase the voice.
Yes.
इश्क मस्ताना हमन को होशियारी क्या yes much better रहे आजादियाँ जग से रहे आजादियाँ जग से रहे आजाद. Can you add a little bit of reverb to the voice?
Do you want it on the monitor as well?
Yeah, just a little bit.
Give me one moment.
To this session on Kabir. Thank you. This was a tech check on the fly. The sessions are very packed. This session is titled Drunk on Love. And I will talk a bit about Kabir. I wrote a book about Kabir, his life and his vision and his philosophy, which is also called Drunk on Love. And Kabir, who was Kabir? So Kabir lived in the 15th century. That's more than 500 years ago. And it should make us think that this man who lived more than 500 years ago and who did not even read or write, we are in a poetry festival, he is a poet par excellence. His words are alive today, more than 500 years later, even without having been written down at that time. Later, of course, people wrote in various collections. And what is the power of these words? What is the power of this poetry? That it stays alive for so long and people quote it and people sing it and people remember it for generation after generation. So this is the real power of poetry, as far as I am concerned, that it enters you and it speaks to you about yourself, and it speaks to you about the world, and it speaks to you about the meaning of life, and all these, from the simplest thing to the most profound, it speaks to us and it speaks through us. So Kabir also speaks, he says, Masi kagaj छुओ नहीं कलम गयो नहीं हाथ चार जुगारा महात्मा Kabir मुख से जनाई बात. He says, I never touched ink or paper. I never held a pen in my hand. But the wisdom of all four ages, Kabir speaks with his tongue. And this is the power also of orality. What we listen to, what we hear, is also slightly different from what we read. Because when we read, sometimes we engage only our mind. But when we listen, the vibration of the whole, the voice, the person, everything enters our body. So Kabir speaks in many different voices. Let me begin with love. Aapya in nainan mein aur palak dhaap to hil ना मैं देखूं गैर को ना ही तो देखन दूं. Come into my eyes, my love. I'll shut them fast and keep you close. I won't look at anyone else and I won't let you look at anyone else. प्रीतम के पतियां लिखूं जो जो कहूँ होए विदेश, तन में मन में नैन में, ताको कहाँ संदेश. I would write letters to my beloved if he lived far away, but he's in my body, in my heart, in my eyes. Now what letter can I write to him? तो कागा सब तन खाइयो और चुन चुन खाइयो मांस, ये दो नैना मत खाइयो, मोहे पिया मिलन की आस. So Kabir says to the crow who's waiting for the death. So he says, "O crow, when I die, eat every little part of my flesh, eat everything. But spare these two eyes, because even after death I long to look at my beloved." So he can speak in this very delicate voice, often speaks in a woman's voice, but he's also very revolutionary. And he also has this to say about love. ए जी ये तो घर है प्रेम का, और खाला का घर नाम, शीश काट और भाव धरे, तब बैठे घर मान. Kabir says this is the house of love. It's not your aunt's house. What happens in your aunt's house? You get cake and tea and a lot of pampering. This is not that place. This is the house of love. If you want to enter this house, cut off your head and put it on the floor. Then you may enter the house. Small requirement. So love has, like everything in life, has many shades. Kabir talks a lot about love. And in this first song that I'll share with you, it comes, the title of the book, Drunk on Love, comes from this song. In this song, Kabir says, "Haman hai ishq mastana, aman ko hoshiari kya, rahe azad ya jag se, haman duniya se yari kya." I'm drunk on love. What have I got to do with being clever, being smart, being cool, being hip? All these things. He's gone beyond all that. He says, I'm free. Now what have I got to do with relationships of interest? All these calculations that we constantly do in our relationships. He's gone beyond all that. जो बिछड़े हैं प्यारे से भटकते दर बदर फिरते, हमारा यार है हम में, हमन को इंतजारी क्या. Those who are separate from their beloved, they wander from place to place. My beloved is in me. I'm not waiting for anyone or anything. ना पल बिछड़े पिया हमसे, ना हम बिछड़े प्यारे से. Not for a moment are we separate from each other. उन्हीं से नेह लागी है, हमन को बेकरारी क्या. I'm constantly connected with that, with him, her, that, whatever you want to call it, with that force. Now I'm not restless anymore. In the end he says, Kabira ishq ka mata dui ko dur kar dil se. Kabir got drunk on love. But how did he get drunk on love? Dui ko dur kar dil se. By removing the feeling of duality from his heart. Two-ness. You and me, performer and audience, male and female, rich and poor, east and west, day and night, high and low. We are constantly trapped in these divisions which separate us from each other all the time. Only when he went beyond these was he able to taste the drink of love. जो चलना राह नाजुक है, हमन सिर बोझ भारी क्या. It's a very delicate path, the path of love. And if you want to walk on this path, you have to be light. You have to be free. हम है इश्क मस्ताना, हमन को होशियारी क्या। हम है इश्क मस्ताना, हमन को होशियारी क्या। रहे आजादियाँ जग से, रहे आजादियाँ जग से, रहे आजादियाँ जग से, हमन दुनिया से हारी क्या। हम है इश्क मस्ताना, हमन को होशियारी क्या। जो बिछुड़े हैं प्यारे से, भटकते दर बदर फिरते। जो बिछुड़े हैं प्यारे से, भटकते दर बदर फिरते। हमारा यार है हमें, हमारा यार है हमें, हमन को इंतजारी क्या। हमन है इश्क मस्ताना, हमन को होशियारी क्या। रहे आजादी जग से, रहे आजादी जग से, रहे आजादी जग से, हमन दुनिया से हारी क्या। हम है इश्क मस्ताना, हमन को होशियारी क्या। न पल बिछुड़े पियान से, न हम बिछुड़े पियारे से। न पल बिछुड़े पियान से, न हम बिछुड़े पियारे से। उन्हीं से मेल लागी है, उन्हीं से मेल लागी है, हमन को बेकरारी क्या। हमन है इश्क मस्ताना, हमन को होशियारी क्या। रहे आजादियाँ जग से, रहे आजादियाँ जग से, रहे आजादियाँ जग से, हमन दुनिया से हारी क्या। हम है इश्क मस्ताना, हमन को होशियारी क्या। कबीरा इश्क का माता, दुई को दूर कर दिल से। कबीरा इश्क का माता, दुई को दूर कर दिल से। जो चलना राह नाजुक है, जो चलना राह नाजुक है, हमन सिर बोझ भारी क्या। इश्क मस्ताना, हमन को होशियारी क्या। रहे आजादियाँ जग से, रहे आजादियाँ जग से, रहे आजादियाँ जग से, हमन दुनिया से हारी क्या। हम है इश्क मस्ताना, हमन को होशियारी क्या। हम है इश्क मस्ताना। So, love is one of the major aspects of life that we all engage with. Another very major theme in Kabir that he engages a lot with, maybe not so much us, is death. He likes also to talk a lot about death because he says actually it's something that you have to think about. He says, like in the Duha I quoted, unless you cut off your head, unless you learn how to die, you cannot love. It's a very strange thing to say. He says, first you have to learn how to die. Only then you will know how to love. To die to what? To die to all our usual preoccupations, our thoughts of oneself, one's self-cherishing mind as it calls it. So he says, ये जी प्रेम पियाला सो पिए जो शीश दक्षिणा दे लोभी शीश न दे सके वो नाम प्रेम का ले. Says the drink of love, the wine of love is for one who can give up their head. But the greedy person cannot give up their head. They only talk about love. So, let's talk about love. But love is not something to be talked about. Love is something to be drunk. Love is something which makes you intoxicated. Love is something to be experienced in our own body. And how do we experience this moment in our own body? He says, with the awareness of death. With each moment, be aware that it could be the last moment. And the power of Kabir's poetry is such that he uses very simple words and, like Varun was saying, very brief, very short. And yet he expresses very profound things in very small verses and very simple words. हे जी श्वास श्वास में नाम ले और व्यर्था श्वास मत खो ना जाने इस श्वास का फिर आवन हो न हो. Says, remember in each breath, be aware in each breath. Don't lose even a single breath. Don't waste even a single breath. Because you don't know if you will get the next breath or not. Mocking and funny. So he says, ये जी सुखिया सब संसार है जो खावे और सोए दुखिया दास कबीर है जो जागे और रोए. Says the whole world is happy, eating and sleeping. That's what we should do. Why waste your head, waste your mind about all these things? Huh? He says only Kabir, he is awake and he weeps. He is unhappy. So don't wake up, keep sleeping. Of course, he is being very sarcastic because in the next breath he says, ए जी दिवस गवाया खाई के और रात गवाई सोए मानव जन्म अनमोल था तू कौड़ी बदले खोए. The whole day you wasted in eating, consuming one thing or another, not only talking about food. The whole night you wasted in sleep, forgetfulness, unawareness, distraction. This human birth is so precious and you traded it away for what? For nothing. We trade away our attention for such small things, for Instagram likes or follows. They are such small things, but we give away so much for these small things. So in the next song that I'll share with you, Kabir says, take it easy. What's the rush? Be aware, be present in this moment, experience this moment. So he says, Zara halke gaadi haako, mere Ram gaadi wale. Drive slowly, O my Ram. Drive this vehicle, drive this car slowly. Of course, if you're stuck in Bangalore traffic, you're going nowhere fast. But he's talking also about the mind, because even if you're stuck in traffic, your mind is running even faster when you're stuck. So he's saying, slow down, calm down. गाड़ी मेरी रंग रंगीली पहिया है लाल गुलाल हाकन वाली छैल छबीली बैठन वाला राम. This vehicle, he's talking about this vehicle, is beautiful. The wheels are red and rosy. But the driver is a young, sassy girl. She's just got her driving license, okay? She's very excited. And now she's got the wheel of the car. So what is the metaphor here? For the attention. Because the attention is just running here and there. But the passenger is Ram, the witness, who's witnessing everything that's going on. गाड़ी अटकी रेत में और मजल पड़ी है दूर धर्मी धर्मी पार उतर गया पापी चकनाचूर. So eventually the car gets stuck either in traffic or in quicksand or you get a puncture, something. But the destination is still far away. So how will you get there? It says only those who follow the path reach and the others are crushed by death. Then he changes the metaphor. In the same song, he's changing the metaphor. Now he's saying, देश देश का वेद बुलाया लाया जड़ी और बूटी या जड़ी बूटी तेरे काम नहीं आई जद राम के घर से छूटी. Now you're on your sick bed, on your deathbed, and you call all kinds of doctors and remedies and healers and therapies and whatnot. But nothing works if your connection with the divine is broken. Nothing will work. चार जना मिल मतो उठायो बांधी काट की घोड़ी ले जाके मरघट पे रखिया फूंक दीनी जैसे होरी. So 4 people ultimately lift you up on their shoulders for the final journey. That's the final journey of life. And you're burnt away like the holy fire. In the end, he says, beautiful lines, बिलख बिलख कर तिरिया रोवे बिछड़ गई मेरी जोड़ी. Now the partner, the husband or the wife, they're weeping. I've lost my partner. I've lost my spouse. कहे कबीर सुनो भाई साधो जिन जोड़ी तिन तोड़ी. Kabir says, listen seekers, the force, the one who brought you together has taken you apart. You don't complain when they bring you together. But it's the same force, it's the same circle of life. ए जी पत्ता टूटा डाल से और ले गई पवन उड़ान. अब के बिछड़े कब मिले दूर पड़ेंगे जान. तो वृक्ष बोला पात से अरे सुनो पात मेरी बात. इस घर की रीत यही एक आवत एक जात. तो पत्ता बोला वृक्ष से अब क्या पड़ी मुझे तो है. मैंने तो तरवर तजा अब जाने दे तू मोहे. जरा हल्के गाड़ी हाँको मेरे राम गाड़ी वाले. जरा धीरे धीरे गाड़ी हाँको मेरे राम गाड़ी वाले. टेक इट इजी. जरा हल्के गाड़ी हाँको मेरे राम गाड़ी. जरा धीरे धीरे गाड़ी हाँको मेरे राम गाड़ी. हाँ गाड़ी मेरी रंग रंगीली ने पहिया है लाल गुलाल. या गाड़ी मेरी रंग गुलाम। अरे आंकड़ वाली छैल छबीलिन बैठन वाला राम भैया हल्के गाड़ी हाँको मेरे राम गाड़ी वाली, जरा धीरे धीरे गाड़ी हाँको मेरे राम गाड़ी वाली। Feel free to clap along and also sing along and also dance along if you want. हाँ गाड़ी अटकी रेत में और मजल पड़ी है दूर, या गाड़ी अटकी रेत में और मजल पड़ी है दूर। धर्मी धर्मी पार उतर गया ने पापी चकना चूर भैया हल्के गाड़ी हाँको मेरे राम गाड़ी वाली, जरा धीरे धीरे गाड़ी हाँको मेरे राम गाड़ी देश देश का वह बुलाया ने लाया जड़ी और बूटी। अरे देश देश का वैद बुलाया ने लाया जड़ी और बूटी। या जड़ी बूटी तेरे काम न आई जद राम के घर से छूटी रे भैया हल्के गाड़ी हाँको मेरे राम गाड़ी वाली, जरा धीरे धीरे गाड़ी हाँको मेरे राम गाड़ी वाली। हाँ चार जना मिल न तो उठायो ने बांधी काठ की घोड़ी। हाँ चार जना मिल न तो उठायो ने बांधी काठ की घोड़ी। अरे ले जाके मरघट पे रखिया फूंक दियो जो होरी रे भैया हल्के गाड़ी हाँको मेरे राम गाड़ी वाली, जरा धीरे धीरे गाड़ी हाँको मेरे राम गाड़ी वाली। हाँ बिलख बिलख कर चिड़िया रोवे ने बिछड़ गई रे मेरी जोड़ी। हाँ बिलख बिलख कर चिड़िया रोवे रोवे बिछड़ गई रे मेरी जोड़ी। अरे कहे कबीर सुनो भाई साधो जिन जोड़ी तिन तोड़ी रे भैया हल्के गाड़ी हाँको मेरे राम गाड़ी वाली, जरा धीरे धीरे गाड़ी हाँको मेरे राम गाड़ी वाली। Sing louder. जरा हल्के गाड़ी हाँको मेरे राम गाड़ी वाली, जरा धीरे धीरे गाड़ी हाँको मेरे राम गाड़ी वाली, जरा हल्के गाड़ी हाँको मेरे राम गाड़ी वाली, जरा धीरे धीरे गाड़ी हाँको मेरे राम गाड़ी वाली, मेरे राम गाड़ी वाली, मेरे राम गाड़ी वाली। Thank you so much. I think we are out of time. Thank you so much for listening. And my book is available outside. I'll be happy to sign copies if you like, and I'll be happy to talk to you also. Thank you.
So beautifully. It was a wonderful session. Thank you so much.